to my blog, and this is Altitude. Well, since February of last year, I have been working on my Part 107 for my FAA drone license. So I am finally at the practice tests, and the course goes over rules and regulations, airspace, chart study, which is my worst. That's on the navigation basics, chart interpretation, airport interpretation, radio communications, aviation weather, maintenance and pre-flight procedures, crew resource management, aeronautical decision making, loading and performance, hazards to flight and emergency procedures, aviation physiology, and that's where I'm at, Part 107 practice tests. So this is through the federal-drone-registration.teachable.com, and it is $25 a month. And then when you've completed the course, then you can stop, paying on it. They have you can register for the test through this. They'll tell you what to bring, how to get your certificate. Beyond that, federal drone training educational discounts. Once you've completed the course, you get 10% off all DJI products. Well, you can actually do that after you've been in the course for your first 30 days. Federal drone training, additional resources. Drone mapping and analytics software. Drone aerospace management platform, drone aerospace application, assistant for FAA Part 107 waivers, federal drone training affiliate programs, guide to getting started, and then you can earn 20% on commissions of referrals. Federal drone training, industrial related courses, drone for real estate, drones for solar panel inspections, coming soon. Federal drone training, service contract templates for drone businesses. That includes drone businesses, general drone service contract template, drone business vendor service contract template, drone business contract with location of aerial filming template, drone business Part 107 standard operation procedures and manual template, drone business notice of UAV operations template, drone business licensing your drone photography and video contract template, drone business non-disclosure agreement and non-competent template, federal drone training, current drone job opportunities and career resources, drone base, data wing, UAV Lance, Droners IO, Fly Guys IO, Drone Deploy, Hire UVA Pro, and Drone Job RSS feed. So that's part of the Federal Drone Registration Teachable course, and the first practice test has got 60 questions, which is what you're going to take on the exam itself. Second one's got 114 questions, and then the last one's got 14. And then let's see. So right now I'm right in the middle of practice test 1. I thought I'd share a couple of those questions with you. Damaged lithium batteries can cause. First one is a change of aircraft center of gravity, or 2, increased endurance, and 3, in-flight fires. Real important. Probably common sense there, huh? In-flight fires. Minimum visibility clearance from clouds are required for VFR operations in Class G airspace at 700 feet AGL at ground. AGL is at ground level, or below during daylight hours. 1 mile visibility and clear of clouds. 1 mile visibility 500 feet below, 1,000 feet above, and 2,000 feet horizontal clearance from the clouds, or 3 mile visibility and clear of clouds. And from what I remember, I believe it's 1 mile visibility, 500 feet below, 1,000 feet above, and 2,000 feet horizontal clearance from the clouds. See if I'm right. Oop! Nope, it's actually 1 mile visibility and clear of clouds. Great. Okay. What effect does high density altitude as compared to low density altitude have on propeller efficiency, and why? Well, high density means it's fairly light, and compared to low density, which is heavy. So I gotta say, first one is efficiency is increased due to less friction on the propeller blades. 2 is efficiency is reduced because the propeller exerts less force at high density altitude than low density altitudes. Efficiency is reduced due to increased force of propeller in the thinner air. And at low density altitude, efficiency is increased. Definitely isn't increased. Efficiency is reduced because the propeller exerts less force in high density than low density. Let's see if I'm right. And yes, efficiency is reduced because the propeller exerts less force at high density altitudes than at low density. Okay, continue. Figure 22, Area 1. The visibility and cloud clearance required to operate over Sandpoint Airport at less than 700 feet are. So 3 miles in clear clouds, 1 mile, 1 foot, 500 feet horizontal clouds, 3 mile visibility, 500 feet below, and 300 feet from 200 feet visibility. Okay, I got to refer to Figure 22. Now you got to download the supplement, so you can go to the different figures to see exactly what we're talking about. So 22. Figure 22.1. What it does, it shows you the airport and air location,